Ever feel like you're missing out on the latest Instagram features or experiencing annoying glitches? Keeping your app updated is the key to a smooth and exciting experience. Let's dive into how to ensure you're always on the cutting edge with the newest Instagram version. The process is super straightforward and depends on whether you use an iPhone with the App Store or an Android phone with the Google Play Store. If you're an iPhone user, the first step is to open your App Store. You'll find it with that familiar blue icon featuring a white A. Once the App Store loads, tap on the Today tab at the bottom. This is where you'll find curated app suggestions and updates. Next, in the top right corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your account settings and a list of your downloaded apps. Now scroll down and look for Instagram in the list of your apps. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button right next to its name. Simply tap that button. The App Store will then download and install the latest version. You'll see a progress circle around the button. Once it's done, the button will change to Open, indicating the update is complete. For our Android users, your journey starts by opening the Google Play Store. Look for its colorful triangle icon. In the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Instagram and select the official Instagram app from the search results. On the Instagram apps page, you'll see a prominent button. If an update is available, this button will say Update. Tap on that Update button. The Play Store will handle the download and installation process for you. Once the update is finished, the button will change to Open, signaling that your Instagram app is now running the newest version. By keeping your Instagram app updated, you're guaranteed access to all the exciting new features, important bug fixes, and the best possible performance. It's the simplest way to maximize your Instagram experience.